Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha. How are you all doing? Today's video is dedicated to a very important but a bit confusing topic, which is career. Today we are going to discuss about few tips that plays vital role in shaping our career or personality in professional manner. Disclaimer, I am neither an expert nor I am claiming to be pro in this topic, but whatever I have learned throughout these past years, I am going to share with you all. So, if you are interested in something like that, just keep on watching. First, build purpose. This is the most important and the foremost step to make your career brightening. Please create a purpose to your life. I mean, you must have a definite reason behind studies, classes, learnings, etc. No? Because it is as similar as walking on a road without knowing your destination. Does it have any logic? No. So, identify your goal for career before doing anything else. Alright? Second, add values. Today's era is all about competition. Trust me, unknowingly you have thousands of runners in your race towards a specific goal. Lakhs of students graduate from similar stream every year, and thousands of those people might have similar career objective as you do. So what is the extra effort you are putting to stand out of the crowd matters a lot. Go for trainings, learn new things, identify your strength and add value to your personality. This is really important to run longer in a race. Third, learn skills. Here we are going to talk about two major skills. First, technical. Second, behavioral. Technology is something that is growing with the speed of fastest train available on this earth. You can't use your present technical knowledge after 3 years. So stay engaged in learning new relatable technical skills. Behavioral skills are more related to personality and presentability. Focus on personality, improve your communication skills, and develop presentability. These are going to help you for sure. Fourth, short-term goals. I am not the kind of person who can plan my status for next 5 years, but I know that what I want to learn in next 2 months. Similarly, set short-term goals, say for 3 months, for 6 months, or for 1 year. That will also improve productivity and practicality. Fifth, create your own path. As I said earlier, there can be n number of people having similar goals and you need to fight or compete very hard to win this race. Life gives you different hurdles, life gives you different situations, and you need different solutions too. So choose the correct path, do your own research and create your own career. Do not copy anyone else in creating your career. Sixth, build resume. Resume writing is a very personal but also a technical thing. Resume is just a text image of your own self, so I request you to make it as original as possible. This is the ticket to reach to the interview venue, hence it should have only clear and truth information. Definitely you can take inspirations, there are so many websites available for format selection, but ultimately you need to build your own resume by yourself. Do not copy anyone else's resume. Seventh, career over job. Make yourself so clear that your career and job are two different things. Yeah, these two are connected with each other but aren't similar. Let me explain you in simple way. Suppose you want to travel from a city to another. You need to complete a whole process, starting from selecting the vehicle, finance, guide, starting point, the way and also the destination. This is called the whole career, and little turns, speed breakers, stoppage can be considered as jobs. So, focus more on planning about the career rather than jobs. 8th, unlearning. From the second we have born to current age, we must have learned so many things. But are all of these learning correct? For example, as kids, we used to like ice cream very much. But now we know that ice creams aren't healthy for us. So unlearning wrong things is also very important. 9th, ask questions. Ask yourself that what do you want in your career? Why are you interested in that field? When you want to achieve a specific goal, or how are you going to do that? These questions will definitely help you in longer run. 10th, believe in yourself. As I said, this is your journey. You need to choose your path, destination, rest points, and everything. So believe in yourself and start working today itself. You know, believing in yourself is the best thing you can ever do to yourself. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that these few tips will help you in some way in creating or shaping your career path. And if you like this, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below your opinion over this topic, and subscribe to this channel. Also, you can share this video with your loved ones. Bye bye.